let's talk about Agile Scrum. So what is it? Scrum is basically a lightweight framework that helps teams work together. It's much like a rugby or a soccer team. Scrum encourages teams to learn through experiences, self-organize while working on a problem, and reflect on their wins and losses to continuously improve. Well, the Scrum that we're talking about here is most frequently used by software development teams, but its principles and lessons can be applied to all kinds of work. And this is one of the main reasons that Scrum is so popular. And you should clearly understand that when we say a framework, we're talking about a specific principle, a specific guideline. But Agile is not a framework. It is simply a mindset, or we could say an ideology. So, in order to implement or in order to exercise this mindset or this ideology, we need some type of framework, some type of guideline. Scrum is one of those most popular guidelines out there. So basically, Scrum is a framework for getting work done in an agile environment or with an agile mindset. Alright guys, apparently in every one of these Agile Scrum lessons, I am listing some of the things that you must know for that particular lesson. For example, here I'm telling you that you must know what is a framework, what's a Scrum, and the difference between Scrum and Agile. And you should know that I'm not expecting you to just tell me yes or no or this and that type of brief answer. Yes, there's a short answer, but I don't want you to give me a short answer. I want you to give me an explanation, a description, a conversation about these topics. Of course, you don't have me next to me. If you are in the classroom, just take a moment and discuss these topics with your fellow classmates. You could also bring up these questions in your daily sessions so that you could discuss these topics with various other students as well as your mentors. I really urge you not to overlook how important and how beneficial it is discussing these topics. Well, taking notes while going through these lessons is of course no-brainer, but it's not enough. You have to Google, you have to learn, you have to research by yourself. For example, you can simply Google what is a framework in Agile or what is Scrum. Do not just be content with what you get from these lessons. You should search and read from other sources so that you can have even broader understanding of these critical topics.